So it seems Google might actually have a compelling product with its upcoming Pixel Fold, as yes, new reports show that the company is not planning to cheap out with its first foldable. Reports also talk about Samsung's next flagship making a huge change in its battery technology. And what if the Pixel 8 series made a huge jump when it comes to its primary camera in an odd move? I'm Jaime Rivera, and yeah, I do agree I need to start looking for new t-shirts, but this is still one of my favorites. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today are non-existent, but let's start the video with Samsung since we have new information about the Galaxy Watch. During the last few months, we've seen a lot of new reports with some good news about the upcoming series, including the comeback of the rotating bezel for the Pro model. Well, now we have some more of that good stuff we like to hear. It is reported that the Galaxy Watch 6 series will be powered by a new chipset called the Exynos W980. I know, Exynos, but it was about time for the old chip to get an update after a couple of years. This new chipset is expected to be more than 10% faster than the previous one used with the last two generations. This Exynos W980 could be apparently produced on a 5nm process by Samsung itself, and that switch in process could also result in improved battery life for upcoming wearables. The Galaxy Watch 6 will also feature a bigger, higher resolution screen with thinner bezels, so yeah, it is shaping up to be a pretty good launch, and we'll see how that goes. Moving on, let's talk about Google because we have new information about the camera development of the Pixel 8 Pro that has to do with Samsung. According to a report, the company is planning to make a pretty big improvement to the main camera of the upcoming Pro model. The report says that Google will use Samsung's biggest ISOCELL GN2 sensor, which is a 1 1/12 inch in size and has 50 megapixels in native resolution for its flagship. If you think about it, it makes sense because that's been the trend lately among smartphone companies, adding 1-inch sensors to their devices or anything close to it, and I'm sure that it also factors benefits with Tensor's architecture, also made by Samsung. Anyways, if this rumor becomes a reality, it will be a huge upgrade over last year's Pixel 7 Pro, which offers 50 megapixels but on a 1 1/3 inch sensor. Ice Universe didn't elaborate further, so we'll have to wait for a bit more details, probably coming in a few weeks. And fine, let's get back to Samsung since we have the first rumors about the improvements that will arrive with the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. And yeah, I know, we're 10 months away, but you know that it takes what, like 7 months for a phone to come to fruition? So these rumors apparently hold water. This time it's coming from the Elec. They reported that Samsung's SDI division, which is in charge of battery R&D, is looking to borrow new battery technology from the electric vehicle industry. The technology they plan to use is stacked batteries. Rather than a change to the chemistry component of the battery, this refers to how the cells are arranged, but the effect is still a higher energy density, allowing for higher capacity to fit within the same volume. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that we are getting more capacity for these new batteries. Maybe Samsung could use this technique to pack the same 5,000 milliamp hours on a smaller cell, freeing the space for more components and enabling a more compact device. Whatever the case may be, it's really long overdue, but yeah, it would be great if we actually saw new battery technology, not just a new way to stack them. And finally, for the hottest news today, let's talk about Google because we have a new video showing the upcoming Pixel Fold. And yes, after more than 2 years of rumors, we finally have a look at the foldable thanks to footage shared by Kuba. And sorry, dude, I do not want to butcher your last name. The video reveals both the cover display and the larger internal screen. We can also see some thick bezels, which are really far from the Galaxy Z Fold 4's refined design. There's also other reports coming from different sources claiming that the Pixel Fold would weigh around 284 grams and even feature full water resistance. From previous rumors, we can expect the Pixel Fold to feature a teardrop style hinge similar to foldables like the recently launched Vivo devices and Honor devices, and which, by the way, is rumored to be the same hinge technology we'll see on the Z Fold 5. Finally, the Pixel Fold will have a 7.7 inch main screen and the 5.8 inch cover screen. Both panels are expected to be OLEDs with 120 Hz refresh rate. The sale for Google's first foldable apparently will start somewhere around June. Price tag for $1,800. But anyways, in today's question, let us know, do you think Google stands a chance with a Fold so late in the game? Because Listen, I think it's gonna be tough with such a mature Z Fold 5, but if they can price it right, which I don't think they are right now, I mean, it's probably gonna be an interesting battle. That's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow us on social medias. Our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me state the obvious. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.